Welcome, marketing chefs. I've got something truly special cooking in the Omni-Channel oven today. Will AI ever reach the point of understanding human emotion in terms of brand experience? Up next in the Marketing Kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen, the Marketing Kitchen. Hi, I'm Ron Vining, your host of MarketingKitchenTV. Thank you for your question. If you'd like me to answer a question here on MarketingKitchenTV, all you need to do is go to the @MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter, use the hashtag Q&A, and I will answer your questions here. Let's take a look at this interesting question, looking at artificial intelligence and the age of I. Brands need to connect with their consumers faster and on a deeper level. Do you think artificial intelligence will ever get to the point of understanding human emotion in order to excel in this new age of I, or will it make brands seem dangerous? I think you would be creeped out if you realized that this is already happening today. So it's really not a matter of will it ever get to the point? It's a matter of, do you realize that it's happening already? Artificial intelligence is being utilized to this very day, this very moment, this very second, to take in all of the data points that you've either given or have been taken from you, compiled together, crunched, quantum computing. We've gone way beyond that. Data set or segments, behavioral characteristic has been placed upon you. It's been said that Google knows when you will go to it and what you will ask before you do. That is, and you say, will it make brands seem dangerous? Well, yeah, that's already at that point. And that does seem dangerous to me. To think that Google knows when and what I will ask before I even ask it. Perhaps it's coincidence. Have you ever been having a conversation with someone about a particular topic and then gone to Facebook and seen an advertisement for that particular topic? Wonder how that happened. We're already at that point in time. To me, it is revolutionary, it's amazing, it's a marketer's dream, but it's downright scary. And right now it's innocuous. I wouldn't trust what could happen in the future, which could then put you as an individual, not just as a consumer, at risk. And then it does become dangerous. It's not a matter of if or when, it's now. It's about how do we protect ourselves? What rights do we have? How do we get our government to rein in the technology companies? And then at the end of the day, how do we even rein in our government potentially? Who can we trust? Who's watching the watchers? With the advent of fake news, with the advent of algorithms, programmatic media and campaigns, who can we trust? Can we trust government? Can we trust academia? Can we trust religion? Can we trust corporations? Can we trust the news media? Who can you trust? That's where the danger begins to lie, because when technology is able to fully understand or replicate or mimic even the human condition, then even messages being put on Facebook or Instagram or whatever channel, who's to say that an AI can't impersonate you? There's different terms that have been used, like shadow banning and different things of that nature. Imagine if the AI replaces you and is sending pictures and messages that look and sound like you to your friends, and you're completely unaware of it because you're seeing something different on your wall. We're getting to the point in time where that's quite possible if it hasn't happened already. The more and more data that we give away, the more and more risky or dangerous this can become. Again, I don't want to be a naysayer, I'm a futurist. I want to be positive about technology, and I want to say that these are some truly amazing things. It's certainly much better for me to see an ad about something I'm interested in, So if I have a conversation with a friend about going on a holiday to Hong Kong Disneyland, and I say that, wow, ticket prices are too expensive, I happen to go onto Facebook, and because, whether it was through an email or because it was listening in on the microphone on my watch or on my phone, that it then offers me there's a couple of ads there that have cheap airfare to Hong Kong, cheap hotel, or some type of a sale or promo package to stay at Hong Kong Disneyland. Or let's say that I say to a friend that I'm looking to purchase a particular item as a gift, but it's too expensive, or I don't know where it's available. And then the next time I'm browsing online, there's an ad, promoted post or something for that particular product at a favorable price point. So those are creepy, but at least it's value or customer centric. All right, I hope that answers your question, and I look forward to the next one. Thank you for your question. If you'd like me to answer a question here on Marketing Kitchen TV, all you need to do is go to the @MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter, use the hashtag Q&A, and I will answer your questions here. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember, there's always fresh content simmering on our storytelling stovetop. So whatever happens in this kitchen shouldn't stay in this marketing kitchen. I'm Ron Vining, your host, reminding you to invite your family and friends to the next episode of Marketing Kitchen TV.